What if I told you that you could make $1,000 a month by writing less, not more? That you could start a newsletters. Let AI do that heavy lifting and build a side hustle that pay you every month. People are doing it right now. Curating niching, content selling, subscriptions, and using AI to write faster than ever before. Let's open the NeuroBox. Let me tell you that about a real person. His name is Rahul. He is a software developer based in India. He noticed something. His developer friends were always asking him, what's new in AI? What tool should I learn? So he started a simple weekly newsletter called AI for Dev. Every Sunday, he sends out 5 AI tools, 3 tutorials, and a one big update. He does not write long articles. He just curates, find the best stuff, summarize it, and share it. In 4 months, he hit 1,500 subscribers. He charged $8 a month. That's over $1,200 a month. And he spent about 3 hours a week on it. Here's the brain hack. We live in the age of information overload. Too much content, too many podcasts, too many newsletters, too many tweets. People are overwhelmed. They don't have time to filter through everything, so they pay someone to do it for them. When you curate content, you are doing three things: saving time, making them feel smart, helping them stay ahead. That's why people pay for newsletter, not for the content itself, but for the peace of mind that come with it. Exactly how you could start this side hustle step by step. Step one, pick a specific. This is the most important step. Don't start a marketing newsletter. Start a marketing newsletter for Shopify store owners. Don't start a health newsletter. Start a health newsletter for new moms. Especially people pay more. Step two, find content to create. Go to Feedly.com. It's a free tool that collects articles from blogs, news sites, and YouTube channels. Add 20 to 30 sources in your niche every morning. Feedly shows you that the best new content. You don't search it, comes to you. Step 3. Summarize with ChatGPT. Take the best 3 or 5 articles from your Feedly, copy the link or text, paste it into ChatGPT and say summarize this into the 2 or 3 sentences for the newsletter. ChatGPT gives you a clean summary. You add your own opinion or tip at the end. Step 4. Publish on the Substack or the Heavy. Both are free. Copy your summarize, add personal intro, and hit send. That's it. Let me explain what curates actually means. A simple word. Curating is like being a museum curator. You don't paint the art, you find the best art, arrange it beautifully, and show it to the people. In newsletter, curate means find the best articles, tools, and updates in your niche. Filter out the useless stuff. Share only the best 5 to 7 things with your subscriber. You are not writing long articles. You are finding gems and presenting them. AI helps you do this hard stuff. Another real example. There's a creator. She studied a newsletter called AI for Creators. She curates AI tools and tips for the designer, writers, and video editors. She used Fairly to find content, ChatGPT to write summarize, and BD to publish. She has 100 subscribers. She charged she charged $7 a month. That's a 700 a month. She said, I create 5 links a week. I write a short intro. ChatGPT does the summarize. It takes 2 to 3 hours to best side hustle I ever tried. Why so many people sales? 3 reasons. One, they are too bored. Marketing is too quick. Marketing for the marketing for the Shopify owner is specific. Specific sales. Two, they just copy. If you just copy pasting the article, people will be unsubscribed. You need to add your own take, a personal tip, a comment, something only you can say. Three, they are inconsistent. If you don't show up weekly, people forget about you. Consistency builds trust. Trust builds subscriptions. Your action step today, pick a niche. Be specific. Set up a free Feedly account. Add 20 sources. Find 5 good articles, paste them into ChatGPT and summarize this for the newsletter. That's your first issue. Publish it on the Substack, share it on the Reddit, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Aim for 50 subscribers in your first month. If you want more side hustle, AI hacks, and brain psychology, subscribe to NeuroBox video every week. See you in the next one. And you can find the links in descriptions.